Hello everyone. Okay, so this is to help you get to your specials courses in Canvas, specifically PE. Okay, so you're going to go to your courses. It'll have art, this is our homeroom, music, and then you're going to click where it says PE. All right, you're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to click where it says week 3. All right, she has their lesson, so it has the activity that they're supposed to do, and then it explains their assignment. Okay, I believe she's going to do exit tickets for their actual assignments. All right, so this is their lesson 2. It says to complete the survey, exit on the next screen. All right, you're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to click where it says next. So you click that. All right, it'll have the instructions for the exit ticket. This says resume survey, but it should say just take survey. So you're going to click that and it'll take you to the survey where you answer the questions. All right, you'd submit it and that's how they will receive their grade, and she will receive it on her end. Okay, so I just wanted to make this quick video for you to help you get to your courses, specifically PE.